Matt Sampson here with meteorologist Jon Erdman. John, there are many ways we can measure these big storms like Haiyan. Tell me a little bit about measuring the pressure.
That's right, Matt. Atmospheric pressure is one of the variables we use to compare storms to one another. Now, just a reminder of what pressure is. It's just the force per unit area of the air above you. So high pressure, generally nice weather. The strongest storms will have lower and lower pressure. So for instance, as a benchmark, average pressure is about 1,013 millibars in the terms of meteorologists. If you're looking at a strong East Coast storm or a Category 1 hurricane, those pressures tend to be about 970 millibars or so.
And John, how does Haiyan's pressure compare to other storms in the Atlantic Basin?
Well, Matt, unfortunately, we don't have an exact measurement of Haiyan's lowest surface pressure. It was basically because we don't have an airplane flying into it like we do in the Atlantic Basin or in the Eastern Pacific. But through several satellite methods, we were able to estimate pressures around 900 millibars, and there were actually some estimates that were much lower than that. Now, if you compare that to Superstorm Sandy's lowest pressure when it was just about ready to make landfall, its lowest pressure was about 940 millibars. So Haiyan's minimum pressure was about 900 millibars, and in actuality, in the Western Pacific, we do see a lot of super typhoons that have pressures well below 900 millibars.